there. I love it. Oh, they're about to drop it. It's gonna fit like a perfect puzzle piece. Look at that. Oh, here comes my man Daryl, my new construction BFF. Just about to drop. Woo, so exciting. Daryl, did you want to share something with us?
No, I don't have nothing to say.
Nothing? Come on, tell us how much you've loved working at Winkelman.
Oh, I just love it.
All right, it's about to drop right in there. I love it. Like a perfect puzzle piece. And it's just about in. Modular is officially moving in to Winkelman in their construction zone. New classrooms coming together, ladies and gents. Welcome to the 2018-2019 school year.